you, man. There's got to be something wrong with her. Like maybe a coochie smells or something, bro.
No.
Hona nna hona le ntho ke sa thabeleng ho ifella ke nnete. Podcast ena ne ke shebelletse monana MacG ba ne ba bua ka Minnie Dlamini. Tsela e leng hore ba mo disrespectile ka yona. Tsela e leng hore ba ne ba bua dintho tse bohloko tse mpe ka bophelo ba hae. Ene jwale dintho tsena tse ba di buang mona ke dintho tse leng hore di tswa botebong ba dipelo tsa bona. I don't care hore mang o tlo hlaha mona re ke podcast bophelo ba Minnie Dlamini bo mona wa tsebahala so go tlo bua ntho e re ratang ka e etseng. But South Africa mona ntho e nkutisa motloko if re se re fihlile leveleng ya go kgona nka motho mo re bua ka a mother, a cousin, re bua ka auntie, re bua ka kore ka ntho tsohle tse leng re Minnie Dlamini ka tloa le tsona le reng ka family ya hae. A o tswa o seng gore ke a mosebetsing ke gore ke na le ke ipotsitse ka qeta ho utlwa ditaba tsena tsa batho bana ke re MacG ha tswa o seng a re ke a mosebetsing batswadi ba hae sometimes because re rapella di-business tsa bana ba rona gore ngwana ka re ntho ena ntse e etsa e ka tswella ya ba kgolo ya ho lo feta mona ebe batswadi ba hae ba mametse ntho tsena tsa di bua tsenana o gore batswadi ba MacG ba re ba hodisitse ngwana jwang. Well, podcast ka bo yona e romella molaetsa o jwang setjhabeng gore re kgona nka motho a mme re tswetswe ke batho ba bomme re mo beye mono re mo hlobodise re mo goke ka mo ratang re bua dintho tsena re bua ka whole mother ya motho re bua ka a cousin re bua ka ngwana bo rona eno e leng go ditlhapa tsena tse kana ka di lebisitswe ye. Matthew chapter 7 verse 12 e re mme dintho tsohle tse le batlang batho ba letse tsona le lona ba etseng tsona jwale go latela ditaba tse ba bontate bana ba di buang podcast mo go bolela gore re tlamele re nke motho mo re mo beye mona wa mme re fitle re mo hlapa o le ka ditlhapa tsena tsene ba go ka ngwaneng wa modimo ka tsona. I'm not saying now gore ke saint kapa e mara ha ba South Africa se re fihlile me ileng gore motho a mme o kgona go go ka ditlhapa tsena nna mo ke tswang teng ke rutile gore basadi ke dipalesa bomme ke dipalesa ebile ke dinaledi tsa bophelo bona bo re phelang hana wa lisana mme re tlamehile re le bua ntate modimo go gona le batho ba bomme lefatsheng mona bana ka nnete bomme ba tshwara ka bohaleng jwale e nkutlwisa botlhoko mona mo motho a mme a nkuang tjena a go bojwa ka ditlhapa tse kana fela ke bontate ba kana fela ba tletse mmeno ka lahana a bana nna le batla ntho ya ntho e le nnete mara ena yona ke manyala ebile ke
The way MacG are disrespecting the women ka teng, the way a bua nonsense ka di-females on social media e mpontsha exactly what kind of a man he is ko lapeng. O tella mosadi wa gagwe o disrespecta mosadi wa gagwe a bonagala go mosadi wa ga MacG ha nyalega. Ke kopa le mo tagang MacG le mmele gore ke re wa nyela. Tagang MacG le mmele go tumelo a re wa nyela ke tšho jwalo o la problem founela a bonke
tore se ka borena a ke re la go bola gore Minnie Dlamini o thalane le Brian pele malobanyana mo ne ba e shwashwathwa ba e tshwere ko podcast kwa ba re why Minnie Dlamini a sa kgone o ka keep a relationship nako e telele MacG a re what if maybe kuku ya gagwe e ka bengga or something a re a bentheletše most of these beautiful girls kuku tša bona di nkga of course like one wishes mara sole ke bona re no le nna ka gana ke lebeletse ke re no man no it can't be no don't say that la no never what if maybe they don't understand her what if maybe wa ntshwana mara a o fitse nna ke a butsa gore mantswe a MacG a tswa kae ka gore MacG wa go bola gore a sabila a thagiwa ka content ya gae ba re e degrading a pelebelela ka 2021 ka December ka di-3 wa go bola ka 2021 Minnie Dlamini a re the MacG and Jub is the most degrading content I've ever watched. I couldn't even finish it. You guys must do better. Women can be spoken about like this and then it is condoned. Wa go bola nako tse Minnie Dlamini a try ka podcast ya MacG the content is degrading he back in the day wa ngbushisa well nna ke buisa gore mollo o sa fofotha ka ra pela MacG well thoma ba no mention a leader la Minnie Dlamini wa buisa gore no tamela no mo furotla ka montsalo gore a sora well wena twara se wona trabe e o seriwang wena o nagana gore MacG was wrong go Twitter kwa di a boya comment go Twitter kwa but maybe we should sign a petition nagere mudimudi ya something twara se ka bara.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkososa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash like but uyatrenda MacG ngemva kokuthi ende ama-remarks lamabi ngaMinnie Dlamini ngemva kokuthi Minnie Dlamini ahlukane na-Dr. Brian and uhambe oye lapha ku-podcast yakhe when they were discussing about this matter wathi yena maybe her cookie smells and bana abaningi abazange bakuthande lokhu la kukhulumile MacG ngaye phela uMinnie Dlamini nokuthi uMacG une-podcast obviously podcast bakhona amatende letiningi where they discuss a lot of issues, matters, trending things, stories, celebrities nako konke, but for a man to make such remarks about a woman abantu abaningi bakubone ngazuthi cha uyaphuma uMacG esandleni. It's understandable mangabe bekakhuluma ngale relationship yabo ukuthi iphelile wakhuluma whatever labe ikhulumile, but the fact that umention ukuthi maybe her cookie smells abantu abaningi abazange bakuthanze lokho bathi kusho ukuthi uyindoda lenjani. People even felt sorry for his wife uNaledi basho ukuthi cha akanandoda lapha kuMacG. Mina I've noticed uMacG vele ukuthi discuss ngisho nemfado wakhe lapha ku-podcast like nje akamind kokuthi uNaledi. I remember this other day uNaledi bekamsendela i-VN whereby she was telling uMacG ukuthi whenever asebenzisa i-toilet abophakamisa i-seat because uqhamela lapha kule seat sena ungemala ngafuna hlala isula umsendele VN while he was lapha e-studio laba recorder khona. uMacG decided to play that VN loud ukuthi wonke umuntu eve. They were laughing boseliphenduka bahleka boGhost Lady bahleka, and I was like hayibo this guy ubalalelisa njani bantu njena into lenjalo ngemfati wakho. I mean like le nto le bekumele ngabe uyilalela uyi-one and wenda njani ukuthi umfati wakho akusendele VN bese uyifaka ku-voice note uyifaka ku-loudspeaker ata wonke umuntu eve. I felt ukuthi hayibo this guy it's just so childish nje. People are dragging him saying ukuthi cha uphumile esandleni for someone lone podcast with so much viewers and subscribers. Kumele kokuthi ende ama-remarks lafana nalawa ngebafati nje lokho akumniketi i-picture le-right akumendi futhi abukeke njengendoda leqotho. Hence why people said ukuthi siyamvela nje mfati wakho uNaledi kokuthi akatholanga indoda la kuwe. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.